Hi, in this video, we will learn about the fundamental concept of computer programming. At first, we are going to understand what is a programming and what it can do. Imagine that you've been given a task to calculate multiplication of two single-digit numbers. For example, 2 times 9. I believe that most of us can calculate it almost instantly. And we know the answer is 18. Now, let's multiply two-digit numbers with another two-digit number. Say 18 times 17. Wait a moment. After 15 seconds, then I can get the answer of 306. I have to do it manually. It may be a little bit hard, and we need more times to get the result. Now, how about you try to multiply 5 digits number with another 5 digits number? If you do it on paper, you are going to spend more than 1.5 minutes to perform the calculation. You still can solve it manually, but it takes longer time with higher chance of making a mistake. So, how to improve this situation? How can you calculate it faster and get the accurate result? One of the solutions is by using the calculator program. It fast and produce high accurate result with less or no error. By using this program, we actually giving the instruction to the computer what to do. That instruction already been programmed into that particular calculator application. However, the computer cannot understand the instruction that are written in plain English. It's only recognize the instruction that are written in machine language. So what is a machine language? Machine language, which also known as a machine code, are a collection of binary digits 0 and 1 that are understood by the computer. It is readable by the computer, but not really for human. So, instead of writing the instruction in machine language, you can write it using programming language. Programming language is a human readable code, and it used to write a program to tell the computer what to do. This program later interpret or compile into machine language. Then only the computer can understand and run the task as been instructed. So, programming is defined as an activity to write a computer program using programming language to solve specific requirement by the user. The program is a sequence of instruction to tell the computer what to do using systematic approach of solving problem that call algorithm. And a programmer is an individual who write the computer program based on the requirement. As a programmer, you have to properly choose programming language that you want to use for your project. There are thousands of programming language available today, and most of them are free and open source. Each programming language have their own features, and you have to choose the suitable language based on your needs and requirement. And each of them have distinct syntax or ways of writing the code.